How to disassemble Samsung Galaxy A12. Disassembling a smartphone, such as the Samsung Galaxy A12, requires specific tools and technical expertise. Additionally, disassembling the device may void the warranty, and if not done carefully, it can lead to damage. If you're experiencing issues with your Samsung Galaxy A12, I recommend reaching out to Samsung's official support or authorized service centers for assistance. If you still want to proceed with disassembly and have the necessary skills, keep in mind that these instructions are general, and you should refer to a detailed guide or video specific to your device model. Be aware that disassembling your phone carries risks, and you should proceed with caution. Tools you might need: screwdriver set, including small Phillips and Torx screwdrivers. Plastic opening tools or case opening tools. Tweezers. ESD, electrostatic discharge, wrist strap, recommended. Steps for general disassembly *. Note, these steps are general and might not cover all specifics of the Samsung Galaxy A12. 1. Power off *. Turn off the phone and disconnect it from any power source. 2. Remove SIM card tray *. Use a SIM card ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. 3. Remove back cover *. If applicable, remove the back cover of the phone. Some phones have a removable back cover, while others are sealed. 4. Remove screws *. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove screws holding the phone's back or internal components in place. Keep track of the screws and their locations. 5. Separate the frame *. Carefully use plastic opening tools to separate the frame from the phone's body. Start from the edges and work your way around. 6. Disconnect battery *. Once you have access to the internal components, locate and disconnect the battery. This is a crucial step to avoid any electrical issues during disassembly. 7. Disconnect other components *. Disconnect other components such as the display, camera modules, and other connectors. Be gentle and use plastic tools to avoid damaging delicate components. 8. Remove motherboard *. If needed, carefully lift and remove the motherboard, which houses the main components of the phone. 9. Access other internal components *. Depending on your goal, you may need to access other internal components such as the camera modules, speakers, or charging port. 10. Reassembly *. If you've reached this step successfully, you can start reassembling the phone by following the steps in reverse order. Ensure that all connectors are securely attached. Remember, disassembling your phone is a complex task and should only be done by individuals with the appropriate skills and knowledge. If your phone is under warranty or you are not confident in your ability to perform the disassembly, it's best to seek professional help from Samsung or an authorized service center.